All right, I'm recording again because of I use the word switcheroos a lot. So this is a screenshot from September the 16th. This is why I take many screenshots because things change constantly. Behind here, this was last night at 11 p.m. I had cleaned up the desktop. Behind here, in little there, see that yellow is this thing here, the note. Okay, it's there. I made some notes and I saved and I had it there. Okay, that was last night at 11 o'clock. This morning I started up the computer, unplugged Ethernet, 2% battery power. At 1 o'clock, I guess, in the afternoon, not the morning, I started up the computer. And the little thing there, this sticky note, had disappeared. It wasn't there this morning. When I started up the computer, it wasn't there. I had taken a number of screenshots this morning, and I put them in trash to review this occurrence when I noticed this was here. And all the screenshots that I took from today, except for this one here, they've all disappeared from trash. Okay, all my screenshot that was put in trash today has disappeared. And by the way, trash is working again. So this was at 12:53 p.m. There's nothing there. And then at 1:18 p.m., there it is. I am looking at YouTube to find out how to turn screenshots into movies because I want to upload my screenshots, and suddenly I noticed this thing there. And I stopped recording, and here's what I see. Suddenly this thing appeared. This sticky note appeared when it wasn't there earlier. So like I said, back and forth, things change constantly on this computer. They disappear, they reappear, they disappear and never reappear. So I took this screenshot this morning. This is this file folder should have 19.4 megabytes of data. So I'm going to close it, move it, and try now and see. I have to double check everything because changes happens constantly. So 90.4 megabytes of data, okay. And it was last modified at 1:13 p.m. So that did not change. Okay. So here I go into the screenshots. Go to the top. Number 1. This was taken last night. In the evening, not last night. Before I did, this was taken before I made this sticky note. And by the way, before I do that, let me scroll down, take a recording of that before they disappear. All right. This I already mentioned it here. This is from another day. I think it was September the 16th. It had disappeared and reappeared. That was at 7 p.m. I noted that it had disappeared. Yellow note disappeared. I noted that last night, and look, it's here. It had disappeared and reappeared, and again this morning it disappeared and reappeared. All right, so I did note it yesterday. Okay, so here's what I have. Number one, my channel tells me that this channel has no content. All right, this channel has no content. One, that's my YouTube channel, SISUK. Oops. Here we go again. SISUK doesn't have any content. All right, this is me downloading from the link that Apple Privacy Forum had provided to me. They're all screenshots. They're 376 screenshots, and my computer would not allow me to download these screenshots. I have high-speed internet, and I kept getting errors constantly. Now, nothing works. System preferences constantly does not work. Took a screenshot of that as I was downloading, and when I was downloading, I was told by Apple that the download would happen automatically, and what happened is that everything was coming up on my desktop here behind. Anyway, system preference stopped. I signed up with this company here, GitHub, because I just wanted to ask questions. And this email preference, this is at the end of the page. Email preference, I couldn't tap on that. It was grayed out. See that? That link was grayed out. That happens often, or they just don't work. So here I am trying to find GitHub, and Safari can't find the page. Can't find the server. This has been a common thing. Can't find the server. Alright, so this is loading Apple's link from the privacy department. It took ages for that to come up too. And remember, they were all screenshots. That it was a nightmare downloading those screenshots. Now, I constantly get this message. Something is not right. For years I've been getting this message. Something is not right. This is my upload to YouTube at 5:57 p.m. last night, or yesterday in the evening, September the 16th. And this is at 3:15. It told me my content is empty. 3:15 my content is empty. At 5:57 I had all these uploads that were downloaded 2 hours ago, 1 hour ago, and a whole bunch of others. Okay, and then Camtasia just quit recording. 162 degrees there. This one here is, please wait. Okay, I am not going to open that one there. It'll take a long time. Darn. It'll take a long time to look at that. Right, this is me posting to Gmail. Gmail forum. No, I posted it to the super user forum, and I also posted to Gmail forum. Same question. Now, on my phone, I had 2 emails. This is a regular thing. When I try to send myself screenshots of what's happening on the phone, sometimes I can send, but most of the time I cannot. The emails are held in queue and held for days on end. They just stay there until I delete them. So I had 2 emails sent to myself with attachments. Okay, they would not send on the phone, so I opened my email here and I sent. Here they are. They're shown as draft here, but on my phone they're not shown as draft. They are shown as queued. So when I look at them here, this is what I see. There is no attachment. All right, the attachments are not there. Close that. All right, 163 degrees. Here I am. I've tried many times to download these screenshots from the privacy department at Apple, and I tested my speed. My speed shows, I'll show that in another screenshot. Anyways, here I am. These are only screenshots, but they will not download. Some of them did, but I kept on getting error. I don't know what this is. Opening normal. That happened previously. And I've seen that, this is the second time I've seen that open normal. Here it is. It says it's loading again. I tried, this took a lot of time. That's the downloading from Apple. From all the screenshots I've sent them. So 3 hours after the fact, 3 hours after I tried downloading the screenshots that I had sent to Apple, and Apple sent me a link where I can download them because I don't have access to them anymore. Okay, this is Word opening. And when Word opens, it shows me a black page. Okay, sorry, but this is life. This is what happens in real life. I want to quit it, but I can't open it. I can't quit. Nope, can't quit. Force quit. I didn't even click on force quit. That that window. Anyways, it doesn't matter. There it is. That it took a long time to come up, but there it is. Okay. Opening, please wait. What do you mean opening, please wait? I'm gonna close Word. I'm gonna close Safari. Alright, so I just closed Word. Microsoft error reporting. I just closed it. Force quit. Force quit. There we go. Alright. Right, so I was saying that after 3 hours of trying to download only screenshots, this is what I got. Access denied. And that is a link sent to me from Apple to get access to the information I had previously sent to Apple. Now in this screenshot, every time I sign out of my Gmail, and every single time I sign out of YouTube, I get the please wait message. Computer is crazy hot. This is Word document as you just saw, and it opens as black, and I have 167 degrees. This was yesterday. This is one of the screenshots that Apple had sent, and they keep popping up all over my desktop instead of just downloading into my download folder. There I am restoring a screen recording because after 3 hours of recording and access was denied from privacy response from Apple. That's the file, that's the email I had opened. Clicked on the link took me to the attaché file that was later denied, access denied. And then QuickTime, not QuickTime, but Camtasia stopped recording. And here I am restoring the recording. Here I am restoring the recording again. Yes, I shut down. I think I shut down and then I restored to get back in. I restored after I got back in because nothing was working. Here I am trying to download again 168. This was a nightmare trying to download from the privacy response from Apple. This is Apple email from Apple, and nothing worked. Right, so it's the same issue. I had to look at the screen, look at this system preference, what it's showing. It's overlay of screen on screen. I think everything was frozen and I had to quit everything. They had quit, but I had to go in system preference to quit, or force quit to quit. So yeah, system preference did not work. There's the attaché file from Apple. This is a constant. System preference does not work. This is from May 10th. This is one of the screenshots that Apple had sent in their link. Look at my computer, it's 170 degrees. So there is screen sharing there. That was May 10th of this year. QuickTime. So QuickTime quit unexpectedly. There's overlay here. Nothing was working. Things were just happening all over the place on my phone, on my computer. Now a force quit Safari, I think, because nothing was working. Nothing was running. Nothing was working. And right, this is what privacy and security look like. Here, overlay. There I am restoring the 3 hours of recording. Now, here, again, the same topic. I was trying to download this again, and I wanted to test my speed, and this network came on, Beanfield Metro Connect. I have no idea what that is, but the download speed is 130, and my download speed is 1 gigabyte. So I don't know how this came on my computer. I don't know. What's important is I downloaded this iStat menus. It's in my menu bar right now, and see, it's in the download folder right here. It's in the download. I downloaded it on September the 15th, Saturday. Okay, but it's not in the download folder. I'll come up to that soon. So I run ifconfig on terminal, and this is what I got. It says inactive here and inactive here, but I don't know what the others are, because this computer seems to have access. There's access to this computer when there's no visible internet connection. This computer gets incredibly hot and things change when there's no visible internet connection. And then on terminal, I run netstat This is what happened. I run it a few times. It's been uploaded. Right, this is the overlay. This is from Thursday, September the 13th, when I tried to run the link from Apple Privacy Department. This is September the 15th, and the temperature is 172 degrees as the files are downloading from Apple. Instead of downloading directly to the folder, they're downloading all over my desktop. Right, this is my posting on my channel. This is a brand new MacBook Pro. I opened the brand new Gmail and it says currently being used in one other location. This account is currently being used in one other location, and the location is my location. Okay? The IP address is my IP address. This should be at the Apple Store. That's the location. Alright, there it is. That's the Apple Store in Toronto. Alright, I thought I'm just documenting this. I don't know if it's true or not, or if this is correct. When I clicked on these things, I thought it will give me an option for my email, but it doesn't. It gives me this list here. So maybe it's correct, I don't know. But I'm documenting. Here I tried to access this website, operating system, command to work in terminal. I wanted to find out about terminal, and none of the websites would work. None of them that would help me with my Mac worked. I have that. It's already uploaded on YouTube. And here I am, attaché again, trying to download that link from Apple. And look at the degrees, 195 degrees. The computer is 195 degrees. Right, and I don't know what Frontier Network is, but it's not mine, it's Rogers. I remember the download was on Saturday. I talked about this email that is queued already on my phone, but it's here in here. It has no attachments, while on the phone it has attachments. So remember, iStat was downloaded on Saturday there, but it's not in my download folder. What's downloading right now, April the 18th zip file, is a file that's on my drive, my Gmail drive. That's being downloaded. But previous to that was iStat menus. That is not in my folder. I downloaded speed test on Saturday and iStat menus on Saturday. Neither one are in my folder. These things here are from the Apple link, the privacy response from Apple. These are the things they downloaded on my desktop and apparently in my download folder, both places, right? But the two apps I downloaded, surprise, surprise, just downloaded on Saturday, are not showing in my download folder. That's a problem. Yet here, it says it's in my download folder, but here in the folder itself, it's not there. Okay, so it's that complication of you see it here, you don't see it in the other place. It appears here, it disappears there. So it's a constant. 196 degrees, 196 degrees, as I try to download again from Apple, from the Apple link that Apple sent to me. Here I am again. iStat is there, right? Just to confirm. And this is Rogers. This is the speed. I have up to 1 gig of download speed. And I'm recording this here and I'm checking the speed. Why? Because this file took an incredibly long time to download from my drive, from my drive, my Gmail drive. Okay, that should not be. It should have been faster. And here I am again. I run this thing a few times because of the length of time this 1.5 gigabyte took. It's a zip file to download. Here I am. Here's the link again, and it says once clicking that link or copy and paste in into your preferred browser, the file should download automatically. Yes, here it is. Preview that they were just overwhelming the screen, and apparently they did go to the download, not the download folder. Not all of them, I found out later, but some. And here I am, YouTube. Whenever I sign out, it says please wait. So when I try to upload videos, I upload one and I get 4 rejections for one upload. That's already documented, already uploaded. Here's Rogers. This is Saturday again. Here's my speed, nearly 1 gig of data download speed. Yes, well, I knew that this didn't work. I did figure it another way later on, but just downloading it did not work. This is my router IP address. I'll come back to that later. 169.254/16. 169.254.16. Okay, and here I am chatting with Apple online. We're screen sharing with Apple. That's why the background is black. And I called Apple. I wanted to speak to them about nothing working on this computer. I couldn't access websites. Number one, I could not access websites. That's already uploaded, up online, and it starts with I've waited 50 minutes and I cannot have access to chat with help about Apple product. And what's this one about? Right, my Macintosh, my hard drive is here. I can't get rid of it for some reason. And I thought, okay, right click and it says scan for viruses. I did and nothing happened. I don't know how that works, but nothing happened. So, right, and so here I was searching to find out information. And right, this is Sunday, this is yesterday. I had screen sharing. Screen sharing icon yesterday. Alright, this is just a screenshot I took to look at later. It's not important now. This is the IF config that I ran, and I mentioned earlier, but I ran it a few times. I don't know if it's different, if anything is different there. Something's not right. That's been a regular thing whenever I open my email. Something's not right again, as these screenshots keep overwhelming my computer from Apple, and they're only screenshots, and they should be downloaded in a minute. Nope, 3 hours later, could not download. Yeah, system preference continues not to work. I don't know how many screenshots I have of that, but I know I have a lot. So I run this to find out why everything is so slow and what my speed is. Was it super user? Right, not important. But I did post there. I did not receive a confirmation letter. Right, so this is today. I took this screenshot this morning or this afternoon, 1:07 p.m. All right, hold that thought. 1:07 p.m. At 1:07 p.m. this yellow note was not here. See, I was restoring from the recording of last night, the Camtasia recording. I'm going to minimize this. Camtasia was recording last night, and then I closed the computer. I did not connect to Ethernet. I had the screen sharing, which I mentioned earlier. Look here. Screen sharing. Today. No, this is Sunday. I took one today also. It should be in there. I'll come to it later. I don't want to waste time on it now. But look here, 1:07 p.m. today. This yellow note, sticky note was not there. It was there Sunday evening, Sunday night at 11 p.m. Sticky note was not sticky, yeah, sticky note was there, the yellow one. This morning at 1:07, or this afternoon 1:07, it was not there. And then at, yeah, so 12:53, it was not there either. So that jives with that, that's in line. However, at 1:18, it appeared. That's when I didn't notice it. I just happened to take a screenshot of the temperature, 174 temperature. I took a screenshot and I happened to notice it. So the screen, I was watching YouTube, the YouTube screen was covering my screen nearly in its entirety, except for the little bit at the bottom. And so when I closed YouTube, here it is. Okay, so it's the appearing and disappearing of things constantly. Okay, I'm so glad I have the screenshot from this morning. Today's 17th, and there I was just charging it. I only had 16% power. I waited a long time for this thing to restore. A long 16%. I started at 0. 16% for it to restore. And here's the video. This is watching YouTube. This is the one from last night. Took a long time for it to load, and look here. Here it is, but it's showing a 0 content. Don't know what's happening. Maybe there's content behind it. I don't know. I don't know if I'm coming or going. So I'm going to close that. And I'm going to go to the terminal. Right. Did I do okay, terminal. Yes, I was doing searches for Mac. I already uploaded that on online. How to use Mac. I'm doing searches, but when I click on the link, they do not work. How to use terminal on Mac. I click on it, and most of the links did not work. It was the same thing for this one here. I do the searches, Google search, but when I click on the link, they did not work. All right, that's how I ended up talking to Apple and sharing my screen. All right, let's see what's in Terminal 2. Right, so I am doing searches, and you'll see this, the upload is there, September the 12th on Wednesday, that when I clicked on the link, none of them would work. And then soon after, they started working after I spoke to Apple. Anyways, so when I upload, this is a new thing. It's documented already. When I upload, I get two different types of links to upload. Sometimes usually I would get this one here, but recently I started getting this one here. Then that stopped and I got this here, and then that stopped and I got that here, right? So back and forth. Okay, this here, right? This is last night's video, watching YouTube. And look, it doesn't have any content, but there may be something there. I've been having issues as usual. There's the upload hour that I talked about, YouTube feedback. So I try to send messages to YouTube. I try to upload screenshots, but it would never upload. Okay, I took a screenshot of this because I wanted to remember that there is a link to send feedback to YouTube. Sorry, there's so many of them that I'm in contact with, to YouTube, but I could never send. The screenshot is never included. Frontier Networks, I don't know why that is. Speed testing, doesn't matter. I just wanted to record it, but my carrier is Rogers. This is today. Look at this, another one of today. Monday, September the 17th at 12:54. That this sticky note is not there. Here I am restoring the video from last night. See? Look here. Look what was on my screen. 1, 2, watching YouTube. This is this video. This is the one from this morning. This is the one from last night that I'm restoring at 12:54 p.m. today. There was no yellow sticky note. Alright, I talked about these two emails that are absent screenshots when they should have lots of screenshots on them. More, right, there should be other links down here. They're not there. One of the many things that don't work is Word. This is a constant. Restoring video from last night. This is funny. And I took it only because of the temperature. Look here. Not much is running. And I'm restoring the screen from last night, and the sticky note is not here. Look, it's not here. And I've recorded previously of things turning themselves on and off. I've recorded things disappearing, and being recorded that they disappear of the screen. What is this one? Alright, this is when I try to upload. The first thing I see is this unusual screen that says bookmarks. I didn't type that in. It appears there. That is highly abnormal. It says uploading 0%. It shows a whole bunch of different things, but it's uploading 0. But bookmarks is not me. It shows it. It's a new recent norm on all my uploads now. Here, it says I have 87 videos when I have 172. Okay. Computer is 171 degrees. Incredibly hot. Computer is this. I think this was the day. This is Saturday. I was looking for that speed test. Anyways, 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Here, my videos are not showing. I have from 148 to 136. The rest of them are not here. I don't know what happened to them. So when at times I'm able to access the videos, all my videos online, and number 52 had disappeared. Okay, number 52 had disappeared. I might have to look at the rest of the videos to find out what happened to number 1 to number 52, but right now 152 is not there. And I posted this on YouTube. I tried to post again, and this is the message I got. An error occurred while communicated with the server. See? I could not post to YouTube. The message I wanted to post, let's see how much I have here, was this one here. This channel no, not that one. This channel has no content, but this one here. How come I have 80? I'm showing upload of 87, but I have 172. Anyways, I eventually was able to go in a roundabout way to post. Unresponsive. Oh, here we go. Here's the Apple link. This is from Apple. They sent the link to me for me to download. So what I did, because I couldn't download 3 hours, many times I've tried downloading just screenshots and they wouldn't do it. I decided to go 100 at a time, 100 screenshots, And then you see, I unticked everything and I went 100 at a time. But this is what I got. I got this message about 5-6 times. Page is unresponsive. And remember, here we go. 100 files I was downloading. 100 of screenshots, and it would not work. What's this one here? This is me showing I have constantly deleted videos here. This is upload number 163. These are videos online. Sometimes, like I said, they show up, sometimes they do not show up. Right, here is 148. Okay, 148, and I was recording. So you can tell the difference in temperature. It should not be at 160. It shouldn't be at 150 either. This is 148. 150, 160, 170, 80, and 90 means something is wrong. Right, so here I am. Here's an upload. The moment I click on upload, remember it didn't let me upload for a while, and then it changed its mind and it allowed me to upload. So this is what happened. Immediately I get these two messages. I get 3 of them, but here I have 2 of them. And then one of these will turn into the video has failed to process. So then I'll end up with 3 of them, okay? But this is what I get immediately. Processing 95%, uploading 70%. Okay, I don't know what's happening here. Alright, here again I just uploaded, and this should have videos. There should have videos, they're not there. Okay, don't know what happened to my videos. 154 degrees. Right, and I'm not signed into Gmail that I know of. I'm not signed into Gmail yet. Every time I go to gmail.com, this is what happens. It looks like I'm already in my email because it knows how many emails are in my inbox. Why is that happening? It knows how many emails are in my inbox. But I'm not signed into Gmail. I've documented that online also. Here we are. I've uploaded this. You've seen this before, but I have another one of 174 videos. I don't know if it's here because things change constantly. 172, 87. I don't know why I have the same thing. I should have, 172, 175. Okay. 150 degrees. Here are video 97 to 82. And this was on Sunday. Okay. So here I am scanning. I want to know what my speed is because this thing will not download from Apple. All the screenshots. What is this one here? This is unusual messages bookmark. I don't know what that is. I mean, yes, I took a screenshot, but I don't know what the bookmark is. I've spoken about that before, and that's 169 degrees. 172, 87 videos. Sunday, September the 16th. And here I have 75 videos now, and it still says 87 there. Okay, Sunday, September the 16th. Okay, so 75 video up to, I'm still going ahead. Hold on a minute. Wait a minute. I see something. This says 170, 171, 172. And this one is funny. It says 86. That is funny. That is odd. So it says 75, 74. Where's 73? It doesn't show 73. I'm going to have to look into that. Isn't that amazing? And it still says 87 videos. but all of it is documented and online. Alright, something is not right. It's in the background again. There in yellow, something's not right. Here I am downloading Saturday, September the 15th. So this is an older, few day old config. I run again. Friday, September the 14th. This is what it looks like. Right, this is Sunday morning or Sunday afternoon. Screen sharing. September the 16th, yesterday. Today is the 17th. Hot, 171 degrees. Okay, here I have 167 uploads. Okay, that's upload number 172. So 126, so 167. So why does it say 87 over in the upload? Why does it say 87? Here it says uploads for me is 167. There's 50 and all of that going up. Temperature 167. It fluctuates. There's upload number 151. Yesterday Sunday, so I cannot have 87. That's impossible. Alright, this I had to, my black phone will not allow me to upload to YouTube, so I had to send them via I have to upload them to my drive and then download from my drive and upload to YouTube. And the LG phone that I have will not upload to UpDrive to my drive, and it will not upload to YouTube. Okay, so they are stuck in LG. I cannot upload to my drive. I will record that soon. Alright, so this is Sunday, September the 16th. Here's video 1 to 10. Alright, this is Sunday, September 16th again. Video 130 to, I guess, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Right? 130 to 142 are there. That was yesterday. This is Sunday, September the 16th. Safari can't open this page at CNN. It was a link at CNN on CNN's website, but it wouldn't open it for me. So, right, again, there should be videos here. They're not. So 1 to 129 are not showing here. Again, Sunday, September the 16th, 161 degrees. Video number 149, I was uploading the black phone videos. Alright, uploading black phone videos, and it's 166 degrees. Is that the same? 149, 66 degrees, yes, same thing. $167. Right, but you get the idea. It goes up and down. Computer is very hot. 169 here. And I cleaned up this here. I recorded cleaning up all of this. I just take a million screenshots because of it's the up and down and the switcheroos. It's a constant. It's a constant. Things disappear and things don't work. Okay, 171. Look at that. Ignore 162. 171 degree. Alright, here again, another time, and I'm constantly showing this. My email, my inbox is showing. Why? Why is my inbox showing when I am not signed into Gmail? Right here. I'm not signed into Gmail anywhere, but it tells me here that my inbox is open. Right, so this is how it should be normally. I should have these videos 129 to 132. This is 134 to whatever, and this is showing the way it is. I'm guessing it's because the thumbnail still needs to be done, still needs to be figured out by Apple. Anyways, I tried another method of uploading when the computer would not allow me to upload, but it didn't work. Instead of drag and drop, I tried this. It didn't work. 170 degrees, not 160, 170 degrees. And that was yesterday. 170. Sunday, September the 16th at 10 p.m. That was before I did the sticky note. Because sticky note is not here. See that? It's not here as yet. This is me cleaning up the computer. Here I'm cleaning up the computer. Nothing is running. Nothing except for Camtasia. Okay? Preview is just opening screenshot, and Finder is really nothing. 160 degrees. $165 degrees. Alright, there one video missing here. It's a constant. Some videos show up, some are missing. 165 degrees. $166 degrees. And I want to sign out. And I noticed that I have one subscriber there. And the subscriber keeps going in and out constantly. Sometimes it shows up, sometimes it doesn't show up. Doesn't make sense. 166 degrees. Right. And here is that arrow to upload. This is on Saturday. And let me try this one here. There's the arrow there. That was on Sunday. And there's this one here, and that was on Saturday. Saturday I got this to upload. And Sunday I got the arrow, which is the different thing. And I think this Saturday I got the arrow again. Anyways, it's just nothing is normal. Right, I talked about the iStat menus. That's here in the download folder, but when I open the download folder using Finder, it's not there. 167 degrees. $169. Upload number 174. And I say still missing more than 100 uploads in my channel. I'm talking about those videos that do not show up. 172 degrees as I am now loading Gmail. 172 degrees. 174. What am I doing? Nothing. I'm cleaning up the desktop. Sunday at 3:38. I'm cleaning up the desktop with all the screenshots, and it's 174 degrees. Right. Here's what it says: processing a project, uploading this, and here's the 3. Uploading 1%, and this will be 3. The video will be uploading, but these turn to 3. This one will turn into one of these. Okay, and here's my upload. It's all in the channel. So bookmarks, it says bookmarks the moment I tap on upload. Oh, and here's the video recorder for uploading, and now the arrow upload 162 degrees. Alrighty, this was on Saturday. I was uploading number 138 when the recording quit unexpectedly. Okay, recording quit. Right, and here we are. This is Sunday, and so I'm cleaning up the desktop, and I'm trying to drag and drop screenshots into the garbage. And this is the message I got: the operation can be completed because one or more required items can't be found. How can they not be found? And they're right here on my desktop. I'm dragging and dropping onto the garbage, but they cannot be found. Is it they cannot be found because they're not there? They're on another desktop? Don't know. So that's very telling. Okay, restoring. Camtasia quit. Missing all my uploads. Well, most of them missing. Okay, from 127, 1 to 127. I have until 141 here. Alrighty, here we go. There's a 3 that says every time I upload, now the new norm. These are the 3 that I get, and the upload is going on. Okay, these are regular. That's why I see 3 deleted videos when I look at all uploads in my channel. Right, so right here only Camtasia is open. I said cleaning up. That was Sunday morning, and it's 161 degrees. All I'm doing is cleaning up. Okay, look how clean this part is. All I'm doing is cleaning up my desktop, and it's 161 degrees. Right, there's a bookmark thing again. That's not me. $170 degrees. $170 degrees. Upload number 153. Here we go. And here. That's 10:01. 10. It's all in the recording. It's not just one screenshot. I will tap on wait, and it'll happen again and again. Number 5. 10:19. Boy, was I wrong. I said there was 5, 6, or 7. There's 8. Let me go to the last one. Page unresponsive. Now, why would this computer not want me to download the screenshots that Apple has sent? Now, here's that unusual thing. Opening normal. What is that? Opening normal. .dot.m. I guess I'm posting to YouTube forum here. (7:05 p.m.) Sunday. And here I am. I cannot upload to YouTube. Okay. Let me stop now. There's something about this video, this here though, that doesn't make sense. This is 7:05 p.m. By 7:05 p.m. I had already typed that here. But I saved it because there's a problem with it, because it was appearing and disappearing. There's something about it. But what I know right now, and I can clearly document, is this morning it was not here, but then it appeared while I was watching a YouTube video. It appeared behind the YouTube video. All right, so that's it for now. I'm going to stop recording.